Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Monica Sapitri. I'm from 5BA class at State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya, majoring in English department. So in this opportunity, I want to present you the material about revision of variable. So let's start. Before we talk about revision of variable, we have to know the meaning of variable. A variable in research simply refers to a person, place, thing, or phenomenon that we are trying to measure in some way. And then there are three kinds revision of variable. The first one is independent variable, the second one is dependent variable, and then the last one is control variable. And let's talk deeper about independent variable first. Exactly what it sounds like. An independent variable is a variable that isn't changed by other variables or other factor. So an independent variable, in other words, this variable stands alone and cannot be influenced by other variable but can be influenced other variable. To make it clear, I give you an example. The example is the research title. The title is The Influence of Learning Motivation and Learning Environment on Undergraduate Students' Learning Achievement of Management of Islamic Education. So in this case, we know that there are three variables. The first one is learning motivation, and the second one is learning environment, and then the last one is learning achievement. So the variable that include in independent variable is learning motivation and learning environment because to get learning motivation and learning environment it based on actual data. So in this and then the second one we have dependent variable, and it's also exactly what it sounds like. And a dependent variable is a variable that depends on other factor. So, dependent variable is not stands alone. Dependent variable can be influenced by other factor. If the other factor or other variable changes, the result of dependent variable also changes. We can use the example before. The influence of learning motivation and learning environment on undergraduate students' learning achievement of management of Islamic. We know that the dependent variable in this case is learning achievement. Because if learning motivation and learning environment changes, the achievement also changes. And then the last one, we have control variable. A control variable is a variable that control or held constant during an experiment. So control variable is a variable that we have to keep being constant during an experiment until the experiment is done. A research may contain many control variables. It's possible. If we use the example before, the control variable isn't there in this title, but the control variable is we can use the same subject being a control variable because if our research using different subjects and the result of our research of the result of learning achievement may may be different or our research become invalid. I think that's all what I can tell you for the time being. Thank you so much for your good attention. Goodbye.